Stop scrolling. If you're not using this specific AI extension in Microsoft Excel, you're already late to the game, and you're wasting hours of your life. Seriously, what if I told you that you could build an entire, complex financial model just by chatting with your spreadsheet? Today, I'm going to show you how Claude's new Excel integration turns you into an absolute powerhouse. Here is the setup. I have a workbook here with some raw dummy financial data for a business called Chumback. We've got inventory, sales, an income statement, and a balance sheet. Normally, if your boss asked you to build a 5-year discounted cash flow, or DCF, valuation model based on this, you'd kiss your weekend goodbye. Instead, we just open the Claude side panel and type a simple prompt: create a 5-year DCF valuation model with multiple scenarios and sensitivity tables. Hit enter and watch what happens. First, notice how smart this is. Claude doesn't just spit out a generic template. It actually reads the data in your other tabs to understand Chumback's exact historical financials. But here is the crazy part: it acts like a real financial analyst. It doesn't want to assume things, so it asks us clarifying questions right in the chat. It asks, what annual revenue growth rate should I use for the base case? We click 15%. What discount rate or WACC? We click 12%. Terminal growth rate? Let's go with 5%. It even asks what currency unit we want to use. It takes our parameters and instantly maps out a complete plan. Now for the magic. Claude asks for permission to modify the workbook. We click Always Allow, sit back, and let the AI go to work. Look at this. It creates a brand new DCF model sheet. It builds out the headers. It structures the key assumptions table with bear, base, and bull scenarios. It's not just pasting plain text. It's writing the actual Excel formulas, calculating operating profit, taxes, CapEx, and free cash flow. It's pulling the historical data perfectly from our other sheets and forecasting it 5 years into the future. It's even calculating the terminal value and enterprise value for us. But we asked for sensitivity tables, right? To see how changing our discount rate or growth rate affects the company's valuation. Claude handles that too. It builds data tables, runs the scenario analysis, and checks its own work to make sure the math ties out perfectly. It even goes back and formats the columns, adds indents, freezes the top panes, and highlights our base case numbers in yellow, so it looks like a clean, professional, presentation-ready deliverable. Look at this finished model. This would easily take an experienced analyst an hour or two to build, link, format, and double-check. Claude did it in minutes, just from a conversational chat. Drop a like if this blew your mind, hit subscribe for more AI workflows, and let me know in the comments what you want to see Claude build next.